Hello and welcome back to episode 5 of Project Locost-mx5. So since last time there has not been a massive amount of progress. All that side over there has been fully welded up. These steels have been added. There's another steel just there that's been added. Just need to finish off the mount for the bottom of the steering rack and the very corner down there. Obviously the car's upside down now, so all that area there's been welded as well. So just started doing this side and run out welding wire. So yeah, that's where we're at the moment. So while it's upside down like this, I'll get all that welded up, do the floor bar here, change this one, and do the seat rails same as that side. So yeah, that's all that's happened really. And all I've done to the frame over there is just ground it down, a little bit of rust treatment, and then just a coat of a grey undercoat for now, just by brush, just to try and keep it. So that's the progress up to now. And so now I've run out of welding wire today here now. It's still quite early. I'm going to see if I can sort all this crap out. Try and get that car onto the trailer if I can. Right, this is a little job I wanted to do for ages. I thought while I'm doing this, I might as well do it. So this is how I've been fixing my number plate onto the trailer, 2 cable ties. But I bought these ages ago. Little spring clips, your number plate, because you push down on the spring there. And then it fits in, so just need to measure these now, drill some holes, rivet them on. And then I won't have to keep doing the cable tie job. So yeah, thought I'll add that in. Right, so there we go. As you can see, it's much clearer, solid, not going anywhere, and it's easy to change if it's not just me using the trailer. So next job is to get the trailer underneath that there. Right, so my plan for this is to move the axle stands as far back as I can without the car tipping forwards, roll the trailer underneath. Just a little side note, this is not how you should use a jack with this many blocks of wood. It's not safe, but it's all I've got, so I'll stay well clear. But yeah, don't try this at home. Right, so as you can see, the axle stands are now below the door. God knows how they didn't go through that sill. It's a bit rotten. Right, so I've put this strong piece of aluminium across. Just going to use that to jack the front of the car up, get them axle stands up as high as I can. Right, so that's them a bit further up, a bit further back. So it's right at the sort of balance point now, before the back starts coming up. So I'll get it in as far as I can. Right, so the trailer's about halfway under, so I've got a piece of wood over there, so I'm going to put that under, get the winch on. Right, so this is the setup. Just a battery connected temporarily to the winch, connected to the car. So as you can see, my plan obviously didn't work. I was risking it a little bit, trying to balance it on the brick at the back. So it fell off, but it's not damaged anything. I've put some more wood underneath it now. I'm just going to give it a go, just giving it a pull. See what happens. Probably should chock the wheels and put the handbrake on. Right then, take two. Well, it's coming. Because we're on a bit of an angle, it slid to the side, so I will shorten this chain and get it pushed over to the other side. Right, so that's that shell now on the trailer. I will put a couple of tyres underneath it to stop it from moving around. It was a little bit wobbly before I strap it down, but I've got quite a bit of other crap I want to put in it before it goes away. Right, so I'll end this video there. If you've, I know it's a bit of a different video today, but some people like seeing this kind of thing, so I thought I'd include it. So yeah, so that's the project there. There's a bit of a mess in here at the moment, but yeah. So I'm hoping that what I get for the scrap money for that I'm hoping it will near enough buy all the aluminium sheeting I need for the project. That's the next sort of big expense, is that. So yeah, I'll keep you updated with that. It won't be going for a while because scrap prices are really low at the moment, so I'll wait for them to go up a little bit. I'm not in any rush to get rid of it. So yeah, so up to now, I think the last video, I think it was £610, I think the total came up to. I did forget to add the steel into that, which was only 20 quid. The lengths of new steel I got, they were 17 quid, and the other bits that I'd started to use, they were off some racking which I bought at an auction for 3 quid, so it's not cost a lot at all. I do need to buy some more welding wire, grinding discs, flappy sanding discs, cutting discs and things, so I'll probably spend around the £50 mark this next week buying some more consumables for the car. So that takes it up to 680, I think it is, which isn't too bad at all up to now. So even if I get 80 quid for that, I do have other scrap and bits and bobs which I will be putting in it to bump it up a little bit. But yeah, I've not sold any parts off that car. There's a couple of bits which I'm giving away, like the doors and so on, to someone that wants them. So yeah, I'll stop waffling on. I'll end that one there. If you like this video, please like it. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.